Find the following indefinite integrals. 1, the integral of 3x plus 2 all to the power of 7 dx. 2, the integral of e to the power of 4x minus 2 dx. 3, the integral of sine of 1 minus 2x dx. Okay. All right, well, I'll just start at the beginning. The integral of 3x plus 2 to the power of 7 dx. Okay, well, I would know what to do if all of that was just x. X to the power of 7, I'd put the power up by 1 and I'd divide by the new power. And I also know a rule that if it's not an x, but it's like a linear thing, ax plus b, then all I have to do is divide by the a, and that'll be the correct answer. Because if I differentiate the answer and go back the other way, then I'll multiply by this constant, and so I'm doing it backwards. So let's see, that would be power up by 1, divide by the new power, and the 3x plus 2 will still be there, but then I'll have to divide by that 3. So that'll be 1 on 24, 3x plus 2 to the power of 8. Cool. Number 2, e to the power of 4x minus 2. dx. Okay, well, if that was an x, I would know what to do. The integral would just be e to the x again. But it's not an x, it's a 4x minus 2, so I'm going to have to divide by that 4. Oh, back here I needed a plus c. Okay. And then 3, the integral of sine of 1 minus 2x dx. Okay, if that was an x, I would know what to do. It'd be integral of sine, which is either plus cos or minus cos. Well, the derivative of sine is plus cos, so the integral's minus cos. Okay, so that'll be minus cos of 1 minus 2x. And there'll be a plus c at the end eventually. But then I'm going to have to divide by this number, and that number's minus 2. So I'm going to have minus a half. So minus a half times minus would be plus a half of cos of 1 minus 2x plus c. All right, so I use that rule for when there's a linear thing inside the thing that I know how to integrate, and I can just divide by the coefficient of x. That trick only works if it's a linear thing in here. If it's anything else, then it's not going to work, and I'm going to have to wait to find a rule to do that when I learn more calculus in the future.